Now you can find your way over land and sea, from one point to another, but there's one thing you need. A map, it's a flat model of something real, you see. It's not the same in size and shape, but formed to a different scale, my mate. Drawn and measured to navigate, and you'll know what it means. There's math behind each map, and you can unlock it with a key.
Come on! Mr. H brings the supplies over to build a model, here in the lab, to show them how plate tectonics work. The plates can crash into each other, causing the Earth to bunch up and create a mountain. Amina places them close to each other on the frosting and pushes them together. The edges of the graham crackers crumbled and bunched up into a pile. First, they need to decide what to include on the map. Most maps focus on just one thing, like roads, landscape, or climate. That's why they can look so different. Ambria counts how many steps it takes for her to walk from the entrance to the splash area. 45 steps. Mariana draws a circle with water drops to represent the splash area, 15 squares away from the entrance. Continuing forward, Ambria walks to the picnic tables, 24 steps. Mariana draws 2 rectangles for the picnic tables. As Ambria walks all over the park, Mariana adds the park's features to the map. Soon, their map is complete.